Hi, welcome to Bella Belts. The official YouTube channel for women who know that style is in the details. Today, we're showing you something truly important: how to shorten your Bella belt for the perfect fit. Because when your belt fits you perfectly, you'll feel that signature comfort and confidence we're known for. Step 1. The unboxing. When you receive your Bella belt, it'll arrive in our beautiful premium gift box. Inside, you'll find your Bella belt, your elegant buckle, and your matching loop. And if you ordered our beautiful trio bundle, the experience triples. You'll have more options, more colors, and endless ways to express your look. Step 2. Find your perfect length. Now, this is where the magic begins. Wrap the belt around your waist to find your ideal length. The end should sit just before your hip. It shouldn't feel too long or too short. That's your sweet spot. You'll notice guide marks on the inside of your belt. Those are there to help you. Take a pair of scissors and carefully trim your belt to that perfect length. It might feel a little tough to cut, and that's actually a good thing. Bella belts are made to last. Step 3. Attach your buckle. Next, insert the trimmed end into your buckle and close the flap firmly. That's it. Your belt is now locked, secure, and ready to wear. And here's a little insider tip. If you ever want to switch belts or change your buckle, just push the strap slightly toward the buckle. It'll open effortlessly. It's a hidden feature not everyone knows, but now you do. And just like that, you're ready to enjoy your Bella belt. The best part? Our design lets you mix and match any belt with any buckle. Whether you own one Bella belt or the full collection, you'll always have endless combinations to match every mood, every outfit, and every occasion. We're so happy to see this movement growing. Thousands of women around the world embracing comfort, elegance, and versatility in one timeless piece of design. We'd love to hear from you. Tell us how your first Bella belt fits, subscribe for more tutorials, and share this video with a woman who deserves the comfort and style she was always meant to have. Thank you for being part of this journey with Bella belts. Together, we're crafting confidence, one perfect fit at a time.